I've been a ModularWalls trade partner now for close to 2 years. I've got a home improvement business where we specialise in outdoor improvements, and it complements my business really well. We do a lot of different fencing options and the modular fits in excellent. I'd really recommend ModularWalls to my clients purely because it's a cost-effective solution to alternative walls. Plus, it also allows minimum disruption to the property, given that you can be in and out of a project in probably close to half the time of a traditional brick block wall. So I think that works well with both ourselves as a business and the clients. Mike and Helen were thrilled with the end result. The slim wall design really complements the house well.
It was quick and it was easy. Well, for me it was easy, but they were clean and efficient, and the wall just popped up. That was it.
I'd definitely recommend to other trades to become a ModularWalls trade partner. The speed of the installation means you can definitely get through a lot more jobs, and the support from the team down at the ModularWalls head office really helps when they can supply you with leads in your area.